Hey everyone, it's Allie Lang here with Salon Antebellum. Today I'm going to be showing you some quick and easy styles I do on my naturally curly hair. First, I'm going to be doing a super simple half up, half down hairstyle. I'm going to start by taking pieces out that I want to frame my face. For this hairstyle, you can either use a scrunchie or you can use some bobby pins. I pulled the section of my hair that I want back, and now I'm just going to twist it to get a little bit more volume, and then I'm going to start putting in the bobby pins. This hairstyle is great if you're someone like me who loves to have their hair down but just hates having their hair in their face all the time. It's super cute. The second one I'm going to do is a high messy bun. I took the pieces out that I want to frame my face, and now I'm going to put my hair into a high ponytail. I'm going to use a scrunchie to help create a little bit more volume in the bun. Now I'm going to start expanding the ponytail to make my hair look a little fuller. And then I'm going to get into the shape that I want it to be and then start putting the bobby pins to hold it in place. Shake your head and make sure your bun doesn't fall out, and there you have it. It's super cute and simple, and it's really great for hot days or just days you just don't want your hair in your face or on your neck at all. I love this. I do it a lot for work. It's my favorite. The last one I'm going to do is some braided pigtails. I'm going to use my natural part and split my hair into two sections. Again, I'm going to take out the pieces I want to frame my face. Now I'm going to start braiding my hair. Try to not separate your natural curl pattern as much as you can just to reduce frizz. And I keep my hair in place with a tiny rubber band. And now I'm going to repeat on the other side. Now I'm going to expand the braid to help my hair to look fuller. I'm going to do that on both sides, and I'm also going to expand my hair at the top. This hairstyle is very fun and easy, and it's great to use for kids. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching.